Hey, it's Rick here, and we're doing an unboxing today of the Rode Wireless Go, which in my opinion is a complete game changer for audio capture and content creation. Rode is billing it as the world's smallest and most versatile wireless microphone system. It comes in at about $199. I'll link to it in the description down below. I picked mine up at B&H, and it runs on a 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission, so you can use this anywhere in the world. Now, as we crack open the box, I do want to mention, like I said, if you want to keep it light and simple, you really don't want setup time, you want to make this as easy as possible for wireless audio capture, this is the way to go. I've been recording a lot with it, and I'll have some future videos here that include samples of the onboard lavalier microphone capture so you can hear it, but I'm incredibly impressed by this. So let's see what you get inside of the box. First things first, you're going to get an SC2 cable. This is going to be used to connect your camera to the receiver. And then, of course, we have two windshields. So the transmitter does have a built-in omnidirectional lavalier mic. And if you're going to use that and you're outdoors in a windy environment, you might want to use one of those windshields. There is a regulatory and safety pamphlet as well as a pouch used to carry all of the contents just for storage or for travel. So you get that as well. Now, as we take a look at both the receiver and the transmitter, these have internal batteries that are going to last up to 7 hours. But if you need to charge them, you're going to use a USB-C cable, and Rode includes two of them. One for each device. And you can plug it into a wall outlet, a backup battery, or you can leave them plugged in while you're filming for all day shooting. Now, as we take a look first at the transmitter, it's got a couple of status lights along the top. You're also going to see that built-in omnidirectional lavalier, but you can plug in your own microphone if you so desire, and it'll bypass the omnidirectional lav that's built in. We have a power button as well as your USB-C port for charging. And of course a clip, so you can clip this on your talent or yourself. Now the receiver does have a screen that's going to give you details such as audio levels, battery levels, and all of that. There's your power button. You've got your USB-C port as well as your connector to your camera. And then we've got the ability to adjust your decibel levels with a press of a button, as well as manually sync the devices if you needed to in a clip. So this is the Rode Wireless Go. I highly recommend it. I know this was just an unboxing. I'm going to get you some sample videos in the near future here. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I'll catch you next time.